In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Auto BCC in Gmail to streamline your email management and enhance your communication workflow. It's a practical feature that automatically sends a blind carbon copy of your emails to designated addresses, ensuring you keep key stakeholders in the loop without any manual effort. To kick things off, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in how to set Auto BCC in Gmail and watch as Google provides you with a list of relevant resources and guides. Once you've zeroed in on a reputable guide, click on it to open the article. Generally, these guides will offer step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. Read through the material carefully to familiarize yourself with the process before you begin the setup on your actual Gmail account. Next, open a new tab in your browser, log into your Gmail account, and head over to your Gmail settings. You'll typically find this by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Gmail window. After that, select See All Settings to open the detailed settings menu. In this menu, locate the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This will display any existing filters you might have set up. Here, you can create a new filter or edit existing ones if necessary. Filters can automate various tasks, and for the Auto BCC feature, creating a new filter is usually the right way to go. Click on Create a New Filter, which can be found at the bottom of this section. A dialog box will pop up, presenting different criteria for the filter. Pay special attention to the To and Subject fields if you want the Auto BCC to apply only to specific emails or conversations. After setting your desired criteria, click Create Filter. A new set of options will appear where you can specify actions to be triggered by the filter. Since we're focusing on the Auto BCC feature, tick the option that aligns with forwarding or sending a copy of the email. Usually, to implement this, an external service or script is required because Gmail doesn't natively support this, so make sure to refer back to the resource guide you initially opened for detailed steps tailored to the forward option. Completing the setup might entail adding third-party integrations or browser extensions to fully enable the Auto BCC feature. These tools bridge the gap between Gmail's capabilities and your Auto BCC needs. Always ensure they are trustworthy and have positive reviews before installing. Once everything is configured, test your setup by sending a few emails to see if the BCC receipts are being sent as planned. Double-check the recipients to ensure confidentiality is maintained as intended. If you face any issues, refer back to your guide or tweak your settings and integrations. And there you have it. With Auto BCC set up in Gmail, you've optimized your emailing technique, simplifying your workflow by automating a significant part of your communication tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.